Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And before I get into today's video, guys, I do just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button, guys, because we're so very close to 200,000 subscribers. And once we hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys, so please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Slenderella dimension. That's right, guys. And I'm going to be meeting her face to face, and I might even punch her in the face. But what you guys are going to need to head to the scary dimension, you're going to need 10 white wool and 2 black wool. And you just want to go ahead and you want to place your black wool on each side, and then your 2 white wool in the middle, just like that, guys. Make sure it looks exactly like that. Then you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and you want to place 3 white wool on this side. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 black wool on top. Boom, just like that, guys. You might want to look around, make sure you don't see your brother anywhere, which is Slender Man, and I don't see him, although that could be a brother, a chicken, because she's a chicken, a big chicken. Let's go ahead and place 3 white wool on this side, 2 white wool in the middle, and then 1 black wool on this side. Boom. You're finished. After you do that, you can jump on down and take a look at the absolutely amazing, beautiful, stunning, gorgeous frame you have just built, although it kind of looks like a soccer ball to me. Let's go ahead and light this baby up now. Boom. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing and kind of scary. Let's go ahead and head on in now, guys. Boom. Oh my god, we actually landed that. Whoa, it loaded up quick, guys, and oh my god, what is this place? Whoa, that's like one of the creepiest staircases I've ever seen, guys. Like, I'm shaking right now, guys, because I'm not for sure what's gonna come out at me. Oh my god, there's a spider over here. What are you doing outside, man? What are you doing? Even the spider's too afraid to come up in here because he knows if Slenderella don't kick his butt, I will kick his butt. But wow, this place is pretty nice once you get past the weirdness of it. Is there anything in this chest? No, there's nothing in that chest, but I still have to say it is pretty nice, guys. It looks like right over here's a bedroom. Wow, guys, obviously she was expecting me because she set up a whole bedroom. She even has a nice view, even though you really can't see anything. What kind of person sets you up a bedroom and then gives you a poopy view? That is just crazy, guys. That's just ridiculous. Let's go ahead and head on over into this room and see what's in here. Oh my god, didn't we just see this? What is going on? Let me go ahead and spawn my pig up there, guys. Can you see anything, pig? Is there anything behind the bookcase? Oh my god, is he scared? Really? Really? Are you a pig or are you a chicken? Wow, I cannot believe that guy. I cannot believe that guy. He is a straight up chicken guy. He's afraid of everything and anything. But whoa, oh my god, I'm being attacked by a spider. Oh my god, whoa, that is like a super spider. Whoa, that guy is moving fast. Whoa, he is definitely on something. Boom, take that. Whoa, I cannot believe that, guys. It was almost like that spider was possessed or something, which is really creepy, because right now I'm in a haunted house. I'm being attacked by possessed spiders, and I really just want to get out of here, guys. What's inside this room? Oh my god, it's another bedroom. Will she ever get, it in her head that you need to stop making bedrooms, because there's way too many bedrooms? Oh my god, I've seen this a million times in scary movies. They usually run, but I'm going to go confront her face to face and tell her the way it is. Listen, oh my god, I'm backing out. Nope, I was wrong. Let me out. No, I was wrong. Oh my god, whoa. Oh, I do not want to confront her, guys. Ooh, she was ugly. Ugh, nastiest face I've ever seen. Ooh, even her mother don't like that face. Ooh, it gives me the creeps, guys. Oh my god, I gotta go back in there and face her, though. I gotta do it, guys. I gotta man up. Even though she has that face that even a mother couldn't love, I gotta go back in there, and I gotta try to fight. Come on, lady. Boom, take that. Boom, oh my god. Has your mom ever taught you manners and told you to close your mouth? A fly might fly into that thing or something. Oh my god, boom, take that. Bang. We killed her, guys. We actually killed her and got iron ingots and roses, guys. Obviously, the last person that she killed had iron ingots and roses, guys, unless she was trying to get me iron ingots and roses and I killed her. Nah, no way. But you know what? I gotta wonder if she was single, guys, because, ooh, that face. But if she was single, you know, something might happen. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.